Imagine a world, not in the distant future, but just around the corner. A world where cities gleam, vehicles glide through the sky, and helpful robots anticipate our every need. Everything moves in perfect, seamless harmony, all orchestrated by the invisible hand of flawless machine learning. Picture a scientist unlocking the universe's deepest secrets from a cascade of data, a look of pure triumph on their face. This is the dream of AI, the promise of a utopia powered by intelligent algorithms. It's a beautiful vision, isn't it? A world without error, without friction, where everything just works. But let's pull back the curtain for a moment. What does it actually take to build this perfect future? The reality is a bit messier. It looks a lot more like a programmer, fueled by lukewarm coffee, staring down a mountain of tangled code at 3 in the morning. It's the long nights, the frustrating bugs, and the endless quest for the perfect dataset. Sometimes, the results are less utopian and more comical. Imagine a factory robot, designed for precision, suddenly deciding to juggle parts instead of assembling them, setting off a hilarious chain reaction of chaos. This is the daily grind of ML development, a mix of brilliance and bloopers. The real danger comes when we forget this messy reality and place blind faith in our imperfect systems. We can get so caught up in the dream of perfection that we overlook the potential for critical failure. Think about a self-driving car, a marvel of modern engineering. It's trained on millions of miles of data. But what happens when it encounters something it's never seen before? A stop sign partially covered by a tree branch or faded by the sun. In the ideal dataset, the sign is perfect. But in the real world, data is noisy, confusing, and unpredictable. That tiny difference can cause the car to hesitate, or worse, misinterpret the sign completely, leading to a heart-stopping near miss. This is why the future of machine learning isn't just about more powerful computers or bigger datasets. It's about balance. It's about a team of dedicated, diverse human experts working together, challenging the algorithms and correcting their flaws. The true power of AI isn't in replacing human intelligence, but in augmenting it. The most powerful tool we will ever create is the partnership between the creative, intuitive human mind and the analytical power of the machine. It's this collaboration that will turn the dream of a better world into a reality we can all trust. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, be sure to like and subscribe for more insights into our technological future.